There we go. Cool.
Look at that truck.
Go closer.
Oh, you smell it?
Oh, it's the thing next to it. I thought it was the van.
No, it's this truck.
Hey, is your shit smoking? Smoke daddy.
Hey, imagine if they had their window open in that van.
They do a little bit. Damn, that shit was straight smoking.
Here, go ahead. Get out. I'm going to circle back around. Hurry up. Is that shit smoking? Look at this guy's van now.